Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create Threads account. So let's get started. So you want to create a Threads account. Now to do that, what you have to do is first make sure that you have installed Threads. So now what you can do is just simply go ahead and then open up your Play Store and then install it. After installing it, just simply open up your Threads application, and after opening it, now what you can do is just simply go ahead and then continue with your Instagram account. So you just have to tap on login with Instagram. But if you can't find your Instagram profile or your Instagram account, now what you have to do is just simply tap on switch profile, which is on the bottom, and after tapping on switch profile, now you'll find number of accounts that are logged in your device. So you can just simply go ahead and then choose an account, and after choosing that account, now you'll successfully create your Threads account. So after choosing your account, now you just have to select if you want a public profile or a private one. So I'll just simply select public profile and then tap on continue, which is on the bottom. And after tapping on continue, now you'll find all the followers that are in your Instagram account. Now what you can do is just simply select the followers that you want to follow, and after selecting all the followers, just simply tap on follow all, which is on the bottom. And after tapping on that, just simply scroll down. After scrolling down, you will find join threads. Just simply tap on join threads, and after doing that, here you can see guys, you have successfully created your Threads account. So that's it guys, this is how to create a Threads account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.